Hello, I'm Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, Jacqueline, and today we're going to go over how to create a self-study course within Knowledge Anywhere's LMS. So currently we're on the administrator side of the LMS under content. So you can get here by going to this side menu on the left-hand side and clicking content. From here, there's two ways to create a self-study course. The first is by clicking this little button and go down to the third option, which is self-study. You can also go up to this top menu and say create content and add a self-study course, both of which get you here. So we're going to add an admin title. I'm going to say fake self-study course, and that will generate a friendly URL and a learner title. From here, we'll add a description, and I'm just going to copy and paste this so something's in there, but of course, you will add an actual description of the course. And you can also do tags through metadata here. So let's say that this is an anti-harassment course. The duration in minutes, let's say that it's 20 minutes long, and there's an option to put credits. I will just say 5. After saving on the bottom, you can tell that this course has been created because there's that success bar. And we're currently on a self-study course page. So from here is where you can really configure and edit the course. Right here, you can enable comments, ratings, LinkedIn sharing, digital signatures if you would like, or if your system allows, e-commerce. This allows you to create passive income through your courses by selling it to other people. So for example, I will just say that I want this to have $100 and they will get this for 1 year. You can also add certificates up in this top corner with a default certificate, or you can custom create your own if you would like. So don't forget to save at the bottom. And then we'll move over to documents here. So you can choose an existing document or you can add a new one or assign it. So for example, you can add a new document by clicking this plus sign here and adding a document title and a file name. I'm going to choose 3 leadership tips and add my new document. So you can see this document file here. This first part, information, is exactly what we went through on the first page. So if you change your mind about anything here, you can edit and save. You can see that we've also set you up with a default image. If you'd like to change this image at any time, you can simply click this box here and choose a file that works best for you. From here, all you have to do is link to a learner page and assign to a learning path, which you can do in this quick actions portal. So for example, this button will show you what it looks like on the learner side. You can see our course name, our fake descriptions, any tags, certificates that are included in the course, as well as the price. And let's say that you want to assign this to a specific learning path. You can simply choose content to assign. I believe that we said that this was compliance training. And you can just save that here. So this is a very quick overview of how to create a self-study course. If you have any more questions, please talk to your training administrator or email our support at knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you so much.